Hi and welcome back to another tutorial on the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at a really cool tool that we have, and that is the Pathfinder. Now, the Pathfinder allows us to take different shapes, put them together, and then create a new shape from those two different shapes. So let's look at how we can access the Pathfinder tool, and we can't access it from over here. What you have to do is come over here. Go to Pathfinder, it's at the top, at the bottom over here, and it will appear as a panel. Now, these are the 4 shape modes that we're going to use with the Pathfinder. And you can move this panel around, you can put it over here or wherever you want so that you can continue working. So as I said earlier, it allows you to take 2 shapes and create one new shape from that. So I'm going to click on this, create a circle with its own fill color. I'll advise you to put a fill color on, and then a rectangle. Let's change the fill color. There we go. So the fill color will help us see the transitions that will be made from this. I'm just going to resize this a bit. There we go. So I want to create a new shape from these two. So we have 2 different shapes, as you can see, the circle and the rectangle. I want to create a new shape from them. So what I'll do is I'll select both of them and then create the unite command. What the unite command does, it combines them and makes them into one shape. So you can see I'm left with this one shape. If we hit Ctrl Z, we had 2 different shapes with 2 different fill colors. But upon clicking on this command, we have one new shape with one fill color. So that's the first command. I'm actually going to resize that. Place it over there. Let's move on to the second one. So I'll select this. Let's just change the fill color. Right, looks good. Okay, so let's use a polygon tool. That's too big. Okay. Green. That looks good. Cancel. So we have these 2 different shapes, and we want to combine them. So I'm just going to rotate this a bit. There we go. Let me just place them as they are, or you can place them however you want to. So I want to create a new shape from this. So with them combined like this, you highlight or you select both of them, come to the second command, and the second command is minus front command. Now take note that the polygon is at the front and the rectangle is at the back. So if you select them, what this will do is that it will subtract or minus the front object from the back object as well as the intersecting point. So you can see we've lost the front object, which was the polygon shape, and a part of its intersection, and then we're left with this really cool shape. Again, you can create this shape custom to what you want to create, what you're trying to design. So that's how you come and use the Pathfinder. If you want to create a new shape, a new design, use these shapes to create a different shape, and then you can use it in your design. So I'm going to place this over here. Let's move on to the third one. So I'm just going to create a polygon as well. Different color. Use yellow, let's use blue. Now let's install. Green. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to put them together like so. Highlight both of them and go to the third command. And this, if you place your cursor on any of these commands, you'll see that it will tell you the name of that command. And this is the intersect tool command. Now what this command does, it combines the 2 shapes and then extracts the intersected part. So you're left with the intersected part only. So let's just click on it and see. So you can see the 2 shapes were combined, and then it deleted everything else and left me with the intersected part. So Control Z. Let's see that again. I had a circle over here and a polygon. I selected both of them, and on clicking on this command, it will combine the two shapes and then give me the intersected point only. So that's another real cool command you can use. Lastly, let's use this. Let's use tool. Let's try a different color. Looks good. I'll use the star tool now. Going to create several stars directly. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. Let's change the fill color. I'm just trying something out, so let's see how this will turn out. There we go. So let's just make some adjustments. I want to show you the effect of the 𝗲𝗏. Now, 𝗲𝗏 you have exclude. Now, what this will do, it will combine these shapes and then exclude all the intersected points. So every point where these two shapes have intersected, it will exclude. Same with this one and same with this one. So let's just select that. Click on this. And you can see what a really cool shape we've created. We've created a really new design. It's really fun. You can play around with this. So that's the beauty of having a Pathfinder in Illustrator and knowing how to use it properly. So go ahead and have as much fun as you can creating new designs, new shapes.